where to locate and how to change the vacuum pump air filter. Start with turning off your vacuum pump. Go to your home screen, jog the house out of your way. Butter down. The air filter is located inside the cabinet underneath the computer. You come around the back side of the CNC, locate CNC vacuum pump. It's on the door. Then we move this guy out of the way. With this door, you simply pick up and pull off. Behind that door is your vacuum pump. You undo these 4 hand nuts. Don't over tighten them. The vacuum pump will pull a vacuum. You won't be able to get them out. Try not to lose them. You just simply undo these 4 nuts. With the 4 nuts removed, this plastic cover comes off. Give that a bang out on the floor there. See, filter 1 is currently in. So we're going to just simply pull filter out, and it just sits in there. Nothing fancy. So then you just simply replace it and reverse your process. Once you replace the filter, you take the filter you just pulled out outside, you blow air through it from in here through. Clean all the veins out. Once you've done that, set it back under the computer and you're good for next time. Thanks.